Hello everyone and welcome back to my art studio and my daily art vlog. So today it's the 1st of April 2018 and yesterday I was celebrating a little bit because it was the anniversary of, I had posted a new drawing. I had made a new drawing every day for 2 years. And so today I continue and so I gonna see if I can make it till 3 years. And I really don't see why I should stop now because it's I'm really comfortable now with the way it works. It really makes a huge difference in my life that I get to make some drawing in the morning, and because in the morning it's the best. Yeah, the morning is the best situation. So here this is a windy situation here. Some of you maybe recognize the umbrella in the wind. So today we had to run just after I had made this little video. I didn't have the time to make the voiceover. Had to run to there's a baptizing. Carla, my girlfriend's sister's daughter, was baptized today, so we had to run for that. That was very nice. Got some good food, and then I had to get home again very quickly because I have a visitor from Norway, and he's waiting for me, so I just have to make this little voiceover quite quickly. Some days, I must say that some days it can be a little challenging to make these voiceovers, and just I know I get the time to make the drawing and everything, but just to put the video together sometimes, like this is a little extra things you have to do and get the time to do it. It's quite hectic sometimes, but I managed again today. I think I like that. Some days it goes so smooth. I mean, and other days it's like, oh. Yeah. I started to make a list over all the things that was good and what I've learned from this journey of making a drawing every day for 2 years and posting them. And I have some more things I have to think out, and I want some more time to talk about it, I think. And so today I know I said I would talk some more about it today, but someone is waiting for me. I have to finish this video very soon here, and it's not very long, the process video. But tomorrow I don't have a visitor, and I'll have some more time. So that's when I want to mention the things that I've been thinking about. So this is a windy situation. Drawing. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I hope to see you tomorrow in another video. I wish you all a good evening, and bye for now.